Hello everyone. Today we are discussing on a topic of colloidal state. A colloidal state of matter is a state in which the size of the particles is such that they pass through filter paper but not through animal or vegetable membrane. Before discussing colloidal state, we know that this solution has three types of solution: true solution, colloidal solution, and suspension solution. In true solution, size of the particle is less than 1 nanometer present, and in colloidal solution, size between 1 to 100 nanometer present, and suspension solution, size of particles is greater than 100 nanometer present. Now let's come to the classification of colloidal state. Colloids can be classified based on their physical state of the dispersion medium and dispersed phase, or the type of interaction between the dispersion medium and the dispersed phase. Like in the table, dispersion medium first we take gas and dispersed phase we take liquid. Then it becomes aerosol. This example is fog and mist. Likewise, dispersion medium taking a gas and dispersed phase taking a solid. It also becomes aerosol, and its example is smoke. Now dispersion medium we taking liquid and dispersed phase is gas. Then it becomes foam. Its example is whipped cream. Next example, taking a dispersion medium liquid and dispersed phase liquid. Both becomes emulsion, and its example is mayonnaise, hair cream. Next example, liquid and solid. It becomes solution. Paints and cell fluids are the examples. Solid and gas both becomes foam, and the example is pumice and plastic foam. Next step, solid and liquid, and it becomes gel. Jelly and cheese is the example. Now the last, solid becomes solid salt. Its example is ruby glass. One thing we know that the gas and gas in a dispersion medium or gas taken as a dispersed phase are not combined together because there is no such reaction between them. Now let's talk about true solution. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture. That is it in a true solution. The solute and solvent cannot distinguish even under microscope because it is completely transparent. The composition and properties of a true solution are the same. Its size is less than 1 nanometer, and it is a clear and transparent solution. It does not scatter light. The components of a true solution cannot be separated by filtration because both solid particles and solvent molecules are very small as compared to the pores of the filter paper. Particles present in a true solution do not settle down because it's completely dissolved in a solution. Now the next is colloidal solution. A colloidal is a mixture in which one substance is dispersed, insoluble particles is suspended through another substance. Colloidal solution refers to the overall mixture. Colloids are heterogeneous in nature. Stable colloids are also known as lyophilic salts. In these, strong forces of interaction exist between the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. In colloidal solution, light cannot be scattered through the solution, and both solute and solvent particles are dissolved equally together, so they can be seen from the naked eye, and also we can identify the particles under the microscope. Next is suspension solution. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of a fluid that contains solid particle sufficiently large for sedimentation. The particles may be visible to the naked eye, usually must be larger than 1 micrometer, and will eventually settle, although the mixture is only classified as a suspension. Its example is sand in a water. In suspension solution, particles would be separated from the solution. It is easily identified the solvent and the solute. For a brief study, let's watch
first
the
we take
video.
true solution. In this we add sugar into the water and mix it well. The light will easily pass through the solution. This is an example of true solution. Now second, suspension solution. In this we take oil and mix it well in water. The oil particles is separated from the water. And the light easily go through the solvent solution. Last one, colloidal solution. In this we take mayonnaise and add in water and mix it well. In this solution it is very hard to pass the light. This is a colloidal example.
Thank you for everyone watching.